Welcome to Algo. Now I'll take you a complete demo. How do you register for Algo? How do you add broker? How do you subscribe to plans? What are the different features available? So watch the video completely. Your all doubts regarding the platform will be clarified. We have many platforms where signals get executed in the market, but there are very few platforms where you can create strategies and execute. Algo is one of them. Now to start with, go to Google browser, start search as Algo. You get the first link, open the platform and click on sign up. On sign up, please put your full name and just add your email ID. Okay, add your email ID which is working because the OTP will come to that email ID. Okay, let me add my email ID and your phone number, right? Once you add these credentials, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you get a notification that account has been created, credentials has been sent to your email ID. Then quickly go to email ID. You would have got a mail from support@algophoenix.com. Then once you open it, this is your username. So make a note of it. And this is your AlgoPhoenix ID or username. Click on reset password. Put your password, your wish password and change password. Password has been changed successfully. Click on login now. Paste the username, whatever you got it, and put the password. System will get logged in. Okay, this is the registration process. Once you register, you have many tabs. We'll go through one by one. One is strategies. You can create strategies. You can deploy strategies. You can add broker, and you can check your live PNL. So first and foremost thing, once you log into the platform, what you have to do is you have to go and add your broker. You can add over here or you can add one from here also. There are different places to add. One is here, add broker. The same field will come, or click to dashboard, click on add broker. It will come to same screen. And there's a different ways to add different broker. I have made a separate video. How do you add upstart broker? How do you add fires broker? How do you add angel broking? And I have made separate videos. Depending upon your broker, you can watch that video to know how to add your broker. So once you go to the screen, click on add broker, and I'm going to select like any of the broker, whichever you want, you can select. So I'm going to select Upstock. Once you click on Upstock, it asks you for the broker client ID. Then you have to go to accounts.upstock.com and log in with your credentials. Go to the apps and create a new app. Put as Algo Trading and come back here. Put your client ID. For example, I'm putting client ID. I'm putting my client ID. API name Algo API key. You have to put this redirect URL. You have to copy from here and paste it here. Completely what is there, you have to paste it here. You can leave all empty. Click on this, click on continue. It will create an app for you. It'll say confirm and confirm the plan. It's a free plan. It'll create an app for you. Once app is created, just click on like this. Click on like this. Copy the API key. You have to copy the API key and paste it in the API key field. And you have to copy the secret pin, secret key, and you have to put secret key here. If you misplace this, system will not work, it will not log in. So once you do this, click on add broker. Your broker has been added. Okay, next adding fires. Click on here, click on fires, put your client ID, and click on add broker. It is added. Fires, nothing to do anything, just putting a client ID, it will get activated. Similarly with, you can add Zerodha and Angel also. The detailed videos are available here. Okay, so once the account is added, the next thing is you have to connect your broker. Okay, and you can start paper trade or live trade. So to get access to paper trade and live trade, you should have a subscription. So click on, you can go to dashboard. Now you can see that we have added brokers. Nothing has been connected. Active is 0. You added broker, it is 0 because you're not connected it. Now I'm going to subscribe. Click on subscribe. You have different plans available. So what is this nano plan, micro plan, mega plan, giga plan? In nano plan, you will get 100 backtest points plus you will get one strategy deployment, which means that you can deploy one algo into this, be it a paper or live. Now let me take this plan, click on subscribe and see, if you see my subscription, it is empty now. Nothing has been subscribed. Okay, either you can go here, my subscriptions, and upgrade the plan to whichever plan you want, or you can go to this broker terminal and subscribe for me. All will take to same screen. Now I'm going for a nano plan. Click on nano and I click on subscribe. Once I subscribe, I get the screen for a broker of fires. It is broker linked. Okay, so I want to link my broker of fires into the platform, and if I have any discount coupon, I can paste the discount coupon. If there's no discount coupon, I have to pay this entire money. Now I'm going to process payment. Once you click this process payment, it will ask for my same number. You can put your number and email ID, whatever you have updated in your profile, and click on proceed. Okay, it will give you multiple options for a payment. You can choose whichever payment you want, and you can go for a UPI payment. Okay, there's some issue with UPI, I guess. Now let me pay this money. Okay, the payment has been getting declined for not for what so reason. Let me try with a different payment gateway, because they said UPI is getting some issue right from the bank side. Let me try with PhonePe. And I'm scanning it. Actually, my UPS limit got over. I'm not sure that it will pay or not. Okay, its payment is mine is getting declined for what so reason, I'm not sure. Let me go back and let me do a net banking. Okay, let me do a wallet transaction or net banking transaction. Give me a minute. Let me go to my net banking transaction. I'm going to make a payment now. And let me try. Okay, let me do with a card payment, so it will run through. I'm just putting my card details. Just give me a minute. And expiry is, and card holder name, and my CVV. Okay, I'm putting my credentials and I'm waiting for a OTP to come. See, for my bad, even OTP is also coming late today. I don't know what's for reason. Okay, I got it. Okay, it's verifying and the payment has been done. Once the payment is done, it will show as trade engine can start or stop. Because I made payment for Fire's platform, it is showing that start or stop. This I have not made payment. It's showing as subscribe. If you go to the platform and my subscription, it will show me that the plan is nano I've taken, monthly plan, renewal date is this. For upstock, I have not subscribed to any plan. Now in this plan, I can deploy one strategy because this nano plan. I can even upgrade to micro plan with 4 strategies, 15 strategies, or 25 strategies. Depending upon your requirement, you can upgrade the strategies. Now I can even connect and pay the subscribe to this broker also. I can pay to it. Clear? So now this is how I can create my login, add subscription, and make a payment. Now once I do this, I have an option to create my own strategies and deploy in paper trade or live trade. Now I've just put to create strategy. I'm creating a strategy on maybe on Nifty 50. Okay, Nifty 50 and indicator based or time based strategy. I want to execute at morning 9:17 a.m. Maybe one lot of call option at OTM 100, one lot of put option at ITM 100, and I'm creating a strategy and I say it is 9:55 a.m. strategy. So I am creating the strategy. I just created it. It has been created. Now I can do a backtest here, and I will do a backtesting. I have 150 credit points for backtesting. Okay, because it was 50 default free was there. Because the purchased plan, I got 100 extra. So I'm doing a backtesting for 2023 for the strategy where I can see the result live. I'm able to make 400 rupees profit out of the strategy, which is not good. So I can do a lot of changes. For example, I will say instead of 9:17, execute at 9:30 a.m. and let me see if it is giving me a profit. I've got 7,000 rupees profit. I'll make it as 9:45 a.m. and I'll see if it is giving me a profit. Okay, 27k profit. So the strategy is very good. I'm able to make consistent profit on every month. And secondly, I can say that lock my profit. If it goes to 5,000 rupees, lock 3,000 rupees profit or 2,000 rupees profit. And I can run a back test. 28k profit. I can do a back testing for last 1.5 years. Okay, you can do any kind of a combination permutation. It has indicator bid strategy. We will have a separate video. How do you create different indicator strategy or a time based strategy or a trend breakout strategy, price action key. I bought a 61,000 rupees profit. For example, I'm just creating a strategy. Then I can even change, say that if my loss goes to 3,000 rupees, book my profit and come out. Book the position and come out. I can do all combination permutation, ATM 100, ATM 200. I can change every parameter and keep backtesting, keep backtesting, keep backtesting till I get a proper working strategy. For example, let's assume I'm happy with this profit, whatever it is. I want to deploy the strategy. Now I can go back to the edit strategy and change the parameters. 9:45 a.m. selling and lock the profit of 3,000 rupees. If it goes to 5,000 rupees profit, and if my loss goes to 3,000 rupees, exit my losses and move SL cost to cost. We have many features. Exit if SL target hit all the legs. I can add the legs whatever I want. I can do all combinations as part of this strategy. Then I can update strategy. Okay, update strategy and move the cost. Can I play more than 2 lakh? Okay, fine, right? So I can update the strategy. Once I update it, now my strategy is fit. I'm okay to deploy my money into it, but I want to do a paper trade. Then I can click and go and deploy. Okay, let me do it again. It will be in dashboard. I can go to my strategies. What I have created is this, and I can deploy this. Select the broker fires because I have activation of subscription over there. Select the broker fires and I'll do a paper trade, not a live trade, paper trade and deploy. My strategy has been deployed. From my strategy, it came to a deployment. Strategy is running and it is on paper trade. I can check the trades which is over here. We will check all those things if today's whatever happened in the market. This is one way of trading. Now I keep backtesting, backtest 150, it has become 103. Now if I go home strategy and if I do a backtesting one more time for another 12 more months, my 12 more backtest points will get eroded. So you can see how much backtest point is available, and you can use that backtesting for your creation of new strategies and testing of strategies. This is use of backtesting points. Let it run. So once the backtest is completed, if I say I'm doing mini strategies, I want mini backtesting results. I'm doing for last 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and see another 20 points have gone. 19 points are gone because we did trading for 19 months. We did a backtesting. Now, if it becomes zero, you cannot do any backtest. System will say backtest trade points are over. Now you have a two option that time. That time, what you can do is you can click on backtest. You have an option to upgrade the backtesting points with these credits. If you pay for 500 rupees, you get a backtesting point of 500 points. Now, if you want to have a backtesting of this, simply you can go click on top up and apply code if you have any code. If not, process payment and get the payment. You'll get a 500 points, which is valid for unlimited. This would be available for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and 5 months. In case, no sir, I don't want happy with 500 points. I want 5,000. I want 10,000 backtest points. I want to do a lot of backtesting with lot of strategies. Then click on unlimited plan. You have unlimited plans, some 499 for 7 days, 1499 for 30 days, and 2499 for 90 days. You have a backtest plan, pay 2499 for 90 days. You can do any amount of backtest without any restriction, be it 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 years. Cash strategy you can do in even 10 years. I think 15 years data is available to do a backtesting. You can do backtesting for 24 hours in a day. Nothing will be affected because you'll have an unlimited backtest plan. So that is how you can subscribe to a backtest plan. So point number one, create user ID password, login. Point number two, add broker. Point number three, subscribe to the subscription plan. And point number four, create strategies. Point number five, deploy. Once it is done, you can always go back to strategies and deploy it, switch to live or paper before market opening hours. Between 8:30 to 9 o'clock, do all the changes. Between 8 to 9, 8:30 to 9 a.m., do all changes, switching to paper to live to paper. Don't touch that system once the market is opened at 9 after 9 a.m. Next is now one option. Now, sir, I have done so much of effort. I've made so much of energy. I spent one entire week of 8 hours in a day. I've done the backtesting. My strategies, wonderful results. I've got it. Now, how do I make money out of it? That is simple. Once you have a backtesting strategy, you can click on marketplace. Now, marketplace is not active. What is marketplace? You can publish your strategy in the marketplace for people to subscribe. Now, for that, you can take a subscription of 499 and become a publisher. Now, it has the two options: either pay 499 and share 40% revenue with the platform, which means that I paid 499. I published a strategy for 5,000 rupees in marketplace. Anybody who subscribed, 40% will come to platform fees. You get 60% of revenue to your account. Okay. Now, if you say more revenue, you can subscribe to 2,500 rupees a plan, and 80% revenue is yours. You can sell strategy for 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. It's up to your wish. You can sell your strategy. We will review the strategy. We will give approval to strategy depending upon the profit makes, what it can be priced. We will discuss all those things. We'll approve the strategy. Then anybody subscribe to your strategy, you will get revenue out of it. Now, for example, I want to publish a strategy. Now, what I will do is, now I have these options. I will go and subscribe to this strategy to become a publisher. Okay, I'll subscribe to this and process the payment. Once I make a payment, I will get an access to publish the strategy. Okay, I'll get access to publish the strategy. Let me put my credentials of card and let me make a payment. And Pay now. It is pushing the OTP. My UPI limit got over. I made a payment of around 2 lakh rupees in the morning. So all my IDs, UPIs are limit expired. So I can do only UPI from tomorrow morning. I think daily limit is only 2 lakh rupees. You can't do more than that. Okay. So once I input my OTP, once I make a payment, it will give me an access of publisher access. Now I go to my strategy. This is my proven good record strategy. I will click on marketplace and I will put a description, selling or option buying, something like this, option buying strategy. I can select what strategy is this price action and click on options. I'll put the entire description, whatever description I want. I can put the description, margin required 1,50,000 rupees margin, and what is the returns it is giving, what is the max drawdown, and I can put a complete description. I'll show you how to put description and all. Then click on public. I want to share it public. My strategy cost is maybe 1,599 for 30 days, and I can update my strategy. So once it is updated, it will get approved. Now because this auto approved, we will review the strategy, then we will approve the strategy. Is it worth for this money and all? We'll discuss, we'll approve it. Once it is approved, your strategy will be in marketplace. Okay, it will be in marketplace. Now as a fresh user, I came to the platform, registered for free. I can do strategy creation for free, no charges. Okay, I can do all features of the platform for free, no charges, no subscription required. I can do, now backtesting point got expired, exited. Now what do I have to subscribe? Not required. Let me show you. If example the strategy is there, let me backtest and make this points, credit points into a 0. Let me do it from 2021. Okay, 2022 I'll do it, and I'll make it as run backtest. So now I'll do a two kind of now let me exit the expire the entire the backtesting points what I have. It will become 0. After the platform backtesting becomes 0, I'll show you how can you still do a backtest. So I did run, because it's a 3 triple leg. It is calculating too much of system engine to calculate it. We'll like, let me create one more strategy. Let it get over. I'll do a simple strategy. Okay, 65 backpack points, and I will delete this. I will just run only this backtesting. It should run faster. Okay, 46 backtest points, and I'll do it again. 27. I'll do it again. It becomes 8. Now it got over. It will says minus. That's all. You can't do now. It says backtesting not available. Okay, but still you can do the latest 3 months of data for free. There is no charges to do latest 3 months of data. So even after backtest got over, I can come and say 06 or 0106 2023 till date. I can run the backtest. So 3 months you can do any number of times, create any number of strategies, no subscription required for doing a backtesting. Okay, that is one feature. Now I came as a fresh user, add my new ID password. I contacted broker. Sir, I don't know how to create strategies. I don't have any strategies. I'm not good at technology. Now what you can do is you can go to strategy and marketplace. If you go to marketplace, you'll have lot of strategies created by the different user. Now this is what I have published now on my name. It is 1,500 rupees 30 days. Now similar way, you have a lot of strategies published by different users. Now let me take a strategy of Nifty Green published by Jagdish Kumar. If I click on Nifty Green, it opens. It says minimum investment 20,000 rupees. Accuracy this much. Drawdown is this. You can read the description, entry, quantity, target, stop loss, what is the risk, what is auto square off, what time, number of trades, deployment, how do you deploy, what is backtesting results, how much does fetch the results. Every description will be completely mentioned like this. You can read everything like this, and if you are happy enough, okay, if you are happy enough about the strategy, Here is the back tested results for last 8 months. Back results are here. If you want to get more information, you can publish test for backtest 2022. You need a backtesting points for it. Okay, you cannot modify the strategies published by Jagadish. So you can backtest it for last 1 or 2 years. I will show you backtesting with different ID. Because you have 0 points here, you can backtest, see the backtesting results here. It is giving a profitable of 10 to 30,000 rupees per month with the investment of just 20,000 rupees, which is more than 50% of returns every month. This is absolutely beautiful. Now, if you're happy with the strategy, you can subscribe. He is charging around 499 for 30 days. So you can come to marketplace and subscribe to the strategy. Now I'll make a payment for the strategy. Okay. Now once you click on the strategy, it will get automatically paid and it will come in your my subscribe strategy. Let me show you how does that will look. Maybe I'll not make a payment here because I'm not going to deploy this account. I will show you how do you deploy it, okay, in a different account. So next day, tomorrow morning, I have to come. I have to now in this broker, I have taken one single plan. I can deploy only one plan, right? Because I've taken only one subscription. It is only one deployment, nano plan. So tomorrow morning, I'll go to the strategy and my deployment. I will remove this deployment. Okay. I will add the subscribe strategy, which I have just took it for 499. Okay, I'll pay for the strategy and I will subscribe to this strategy. Okay, and it will come in my account. Now I will show you. So I think it is pretty clear. How do you log in? How do you add a broker? And if I want to deploy 3 strategies, so I have my own 2 strategies. I want to deploy my repeated strategies and I want to deploy the done taken from the marketplace. Then simple, I can go and upgrade my broker to macro plan where I can put 4 strategies. I can put mine one, which is taken from other person also. Okay, clear. So once that is done, now next day morning, between 8:30 to 9 a.m. all I have to do is come to my platform, connect broker. Now I will do that process. I will show you to the process what you should do on every day morning in a different account. I will log off this account and I will log into my account where I have deployed my strategy. Now I will just disconnect the broker terminal and all so that I will show to you guys. Okay, now I have logged into my account and this is how the strategies, so many strategies have been deployed today in market. Tomorrow morning I will come, all I have to do is everything would be unconnected. It will be like not connected. I have to click on connect and put my credentials and it will say connected. Okay, it will say connected. Then I have to deploy strategies. I can go to strategies and I can deploy. Now in the strategy, whatever Nifty green, what we saw, I have subscribed over here. Okay, I have subscribed Nifty green over here. I paid 499. I have subscribed. I will click on this strategy and I will select whichever broker I want. Maybe I want an upstock broker and I want into a paper trade and I say deploy. Okay, I'll repeat once again. Now let me log off. First morning 8:30, log in like this and go to strategy first. First go to strategy and click on deploy and click on strategy and click on whichever strategy you want, deploy, whichever account you want, click that account and paper trade or live trade. Click on that and accept terms and conditions and deploy. Once strategy is deployed, go to dashboard and connect the broker. Okay, connect the broker. Once you connect the broker, then start the trade engine. Okay, the 3 steps you are supposed to follow. You have to everyone supposed to be part of our Telegram channel, right? Where we mention the same thing every day morning. Well, go to the system login and deploy strategy in paper trade or live trade, then connect your broker, then start your trade engine. So I repeat, login, first deploy your whatever strategy you want. After deployment, go to it, connect your broker, stock, fires or angel, whatever it is, then start the engine. If you do these 3 steps only, now once you deploy, it will be forever. Deployment will not change every day. It's only one deployment. If you done, it will remain same for the entire month or entire year. Once you log in, if you want to change the deployment, you can do it, or I'm okay with the live trades every day. Just log into it, connect your broker and start the engine. People, what they've done, they deployed, sir, strategy deployed, strategy is running, sir. Strategy is running, my trade not executed. Okay, not executed. No, it has to, everything have to be running, and here on the dashboard, the terminal have to be connected, trade engine have to be activated. Okay, strategy deployment is only one time activity. I have deployed this all strategy in my account, Nifty, Green Nifty, everything has been deployed. I will daily, I just need to log in and connect broker and start trade. Trade engine have to be started for or for trading. Clear? So without this, the terminal will not run, and I can go to a strategy and I can deployment change paper to live, live to paper. I can't change because trading engine is active. Okay, I have to stop the trade engine and change paper to live, live to paper, and I can start the service here for the strategy, and I can stop it also. Now angel, I can't shift it to live because trading engine is active. So I'll go to the angel and stop the trading engine. Once the trading engine is stopped, okay, once the trading engine is stopped, I can go to a strategy and deployment and switch to a live trades. Mode has been switched. So it gives the alert what is the error. Okay, it gives alert what is the error. Okay, then I can shift to a paper trade and I can go and start the engine. Any point of time, engine have to be on, terminal have to be connected, and this strategy deployed have to be, I have deployed 4 paper trade, live 2 trades, 2 algos live, 4 algos paper. So already 6 algos, because I have taken a subscription of, higher subscription of half yearly plan of micro, where I can deploy 4 strategies at one single term broker. So I have 3 brokers that can deploy 12 strategies simultaneously in my account. And once it is done, now I can go and check on strategies, and this is my weighted strategies and this is my purchased strategies. I can see everything over here. Next is I can go and see a deployment. In the deployment, I can click OK, because I've just unchecked and checked, my profit all gone. Maybe this is still here, I can show. Okay, if I click on here, it will show all the trades got executed for today on Nifty Green strategy, and all the trades which went on Nifty Green double strategy. I can see entire thing over here. The all panel will be visible in the, it was 25k profit because I removed the deployment. It's all got vanished because I've removed it, but I can still see the positions in the positions here, whatever is deployed now. So don't remove deployment then and then, you can't track the PNL. So once it is deployed, at the entire money will come to the account, but the record will get deleted if you delete the broker. Okay, now and I can also see here my deployed strategies, how much deployed, what is the PNL. I can see everything here. I can start and stop any point of time, any algo. And same time, if I wanted to stop any position, I can click here and I can say remove deployment, or before removing, make sure you okay, here, okay, make sure you pause and square off. For example, there's a one buy strategy here which has got 3,000 rupees profit and you're happy with it, then square off the strategy and off the strategy, because it will not sell, it will not execute the next order. So ideally, morning, login, deploy, connect broker, activate trade engine, close terminal. No need to open this terminal or broker terminal. System will take care of everything automatically. So do the work before 9 a.m. Come back and check after 3:30 p.m. Don't open in between. Okay, don't touch the algo. So it is how the system will work, and system will automatically square off all the positions based on the conditions what is there in the deployed strategy. So marketplace, go back and check the every description of what they have mentioned, entry, exit, square off everything before taking deployment. Do enough amount of backtesting and deploy. Okay, now I can do a backtesting for last 2 years and check what is the results on every month about this strategy, because I hardly this strategy require an investment of only less than 10,000 rupees. I'll show you the entire trade history of today, how people made 30,000, 40,000. One gentleman has made 40,000 rupees on the subscribing today strategy on Nifty double. He said 41,500. I made profit. So if any strategy, if system goes for a failure due to broker terminal or API issue, any technical glitch, we will update you that you can remove the positions manually. Okay, but it is happens every 99.99% system will run. In case broker API get down, because we've seen many platforms, booking platform suddenly go for a crash. So in such scenarios, we'll update what to be done. Maybe say that don't deploy strategy today, or we'll tell square off manually. To get important information, be active in the Telegram channel, link in the description box below, and subscribe to YouTube channel to get all the new strategies we will be publishing in YouTube. Okay. This guy made 42,000 rupees profit. I asked, is Algo Phoenix? He said, yes, sir. He showed he made 42,000 rupees profit by deploying Nifty double strategy, double green strategy. We'll discuss about that also. Now see here, it has backtested for last 24 months. The investment required is one lot for execution is just less than 10,000 rupees. For safer side, keep 25,000 rupees on account. And from last 24 months, it has given loss only 4 months. Rest time the profits were maximum. So it is a very good strategy what everyone has deployed from last 2 days, and everyone has made ample amount of profits out of this. Then once you backtest, if you're happy, purchase strategy and just go to my strategy. It will be in the purchase strategy, deployed in a paper trade for 1 week. If you're comfortable, then deploy live trades and simply accept terms and conditions and deploy. Okay, trading engine is active, I can't deploy. So that's why you say once you deploy, don't come to the screen at all. Every day come to dashboard and connect to the broker and start your trade engine. Now in the my subscription, it will show everything, what is the plan you're available, and if you have published any strategy, it will tell you what strategy you have published a license. My strategy has been published, it has been subscribed by so much of people have subscribed my published strategy, but I have not kept any money for it. So it says my revenue is 0. So you have options to test the new strategies, publish it, generate revenue out of this platform. Okay, there is one more beautiful feature what you have at Algo Phoenix. Then come back to the dashboard, and every day once you log in, you can see everything at your thing. The new strategies can be published, can be fetched over here. Nifty green, Nifty double green. Nifty green double is also one more beautiful strategy where investment required is less than 40,000 rupees, and it will give you month on month you can make this amount of ample amount of profits. It has proven since last 2 years. The same strategy everyone has deployed. Today the profit on deployment was today I've shared it. The profit on deployment was this. Nifty green has given Nifty green double has given 4,700 rupees. Nifty green has given 2,500 rupees. So altogether it's close to, this is 40% of investment. There's also 40% of investment. All we're expecting is bare minimum. If I get 10% returns on every month on my investment, I'm double happy. I can make 120% per annum. Don't imagine money will become double every day. No, because the strategy itself says the winning days ratio is only 55%. So 50% of days system will give you stop loss. So see, you can see so much of risks are there. It doesn't matter. We should run strategy throughout the month from 1st till 31st. Then see, I've deployed 20k capital. Have I got 10,000 capital? 50% of my returns. For 20k capital, I got 50,000 rupees returns. It is 300% returns on my investment. This is how you should calculate, not every day. Right? So once, now I'll give you one more quick example how today's trade went on. Now today's trend, how do you control your emotions? Now today's trade on Nifty green strategy, which has been deployed morning 9:51. So first 1 hour 45 minutes no trade. At 9:51 one trade got executed. This was in profit of around 1,500 rupees profit, 1,000 rupees profit. I felt 1,000 rupees very good profit. Somebody texted me, so 1,000 rupees profit for investment of 10,000 rupees. Can I book and exit my position? I felt yes, it is greedy. 10% returns in one day, very good. Then thought of booking it. Then he said no, let me not book it. Then the profit went up to 5,000 rupees. I felt extremely happy. Wow, investment 10k, 8,000 investment, because the lot is 175 into 50 Nifty, 8,500 rupees investment, profit 5,000. I was delighted, but greed came into picture. Let me get more. I did not book profit. Suddenly the market reversed. It has reversed at 3.40. Profit got booked. I felt very bad. Shit, I had in 5,000 profit. Let me anyway. It is in profit. I'm happy. Next trade, it was took a call trade. It gave a loss of 1,400. Said, what is this? I felt, what is this? Then later, I kept quiet. Then again, it gave next trade 1,700 loss. My all position went into loss. I took cost to cost. Next entry, it came into loss of 2,000 rupees. I said I could have booked 5,000 morning itself. What mistake I did. That is the emotions you play. Then simply I said, this is a systematic algo trading. I should not touch it. Then I left it. Final trade, again last one more trade came. It recovered all the losses. It gave 2,500 rupees profit. Now with investment of 8.5k, I made 2.5k, which is very decent results. So you should not, if you touch algo, you should not do any intervention. Before 9, log in. Before after 3:30, check your account. But yes, on some cases, you can think logically. I've invested 8,500 rupees today for it is not invested. It has consumed 8.5k of my capital. I've got 5k of profit. If you're satisfied enough, exit and come. If you feel market going to be too much of volatile rest of the day, then pause and square up the position. It will pause and system will not execute any trade. But if you see this profit here, go to broker terminal and sell the position from their book profits. Then if you don't switch off here, next this trade will execute the sell trade on your account. Then you will be in trouble. Okay, so don't link account, same account with manual trading plus algo trading. Have separate account linked with algo trading. Don't touch that. Similar way, this is Nifty double strategy also today. It was, you started with a very good profits, then it went into loss. Again, last trade which is got on 130, it gave a 8,000 profit. Automatically squared off at 3:06 p.m. It did not get it. Good signal came after that. But we have put a restriction, don't execute any trade after 3 o'clock. If you see the marketplace about this particular strategy, it clearly mentioned the trade will not execute, no trades after 3 p.m. So this got sold at 3:06. The signal came after that, did not get executed. So altogether, the strategy investment was 20k. Back to back, we are making profits. Who are deployed? Some people have deployed live, some has deployed in algo paper trade. I have also deployed live plus paper trade. Both were I end up in making good amount of profits. That's the complete demo of platform. I hope I've explained every feature, what was available there, and how to make use of every feature. Now I'll open for questions.